Hey you! You've probably heard that Canada is a pretty LGBTQ-friendly country, right? Same-sex marriage is legal, the Human Rights Charter protects against discrimination based on sexual orientation, and you can adopt. Awesome. But what about trans rights in Canada? Well, services and rights differ from province to province. There are no national standards for trans rights, so if you're planning on moving to Canada, you'd better choose where carefully. Most provinces are moving away from requiring surgeries to recognize someone's gender while still providing medical care if people need them. It will probably be better than the situation you live in now, unless you come to Quebec. Quebec is the only province that will not let you change your name and gender until you're a Canadian citizen. Driver's license, Medicare card, school ID, all papers that you might use in your daily life will have your name and gender assigned at birth. Ontario, they've got your back. British Columbia, you could get those changed in minutes. But Quebec, not a chance. Quebec will deny you your identity. From housing to jobs to school to the immigration process, our government prevents you from changing your papers until you become a citizen, which can take up to 7 years. 7 years. Moving to Canada makes sense and is probably important to you. But if you can, stay clear of Quebec. Like, for real, choose anywhere but here.